So a normal day for me, has a variety of things, but always our number one value is putting campers first. I'm Nicole Dunn. I'm the president and CEO here at Flying Horse Farms. We are a medical specialty camp that serves children living with a serious illness and providing them a transformational, magical experience at no cost to them or their families. At camp, one of our values is everyone can give. And sometimes we talk about giving, yes, it's philanthropically. So we thank Honda for giving since 2012 to make our work happen. But what also is, there's time, talent, and treasure. So the giving of time and talent also comes in the form of service.
My name is Pam Crawkins. I work in HR at Cardington Yutaka. What inspired me to come here was the children and the people that do volunteer here, and it's just a beautiful place, and it just makes me feel very good to volunteer.
My name is Joshua Wallace, and I work for Cardington Yutaka Technologies. The reason I picked this organization and why I wanted to come and help Flying Horse Farms is because I like that it's a nonprofit organization and that there is a lot of people coming to help and make sure these children are having a great time and not feeling out of place.
The kids that get to come to Flying Horse Farms are often children that have a medical diagnosis that causes them to not spend a night away from home except for a hospital room.
It makes me really proud that Honda and CYT both donates time and effort to do a lot of volunteer in the communities.
Oftentimes we ask people, what does camp mean to you? And we have 10 core values at camp. And I can only speak for myself with one of them, but each of our team members know that there is such pride and privilege, and it is just an honorable service for us to be able to have our campers here. Something that speaks significantly to me is our core value number 6, which is with trust comes relief. When we have a parent that is leaving camp and says, I haven't seen that smile on my son for 3 years, that's powerful. And that's what camp does. We bring joy back.
At the end of the day, I really think that it's really good to see that Honda and then Cardington Yutaka Technologies is out helping the community. So not only does it get your name out to say this is a really good company, also it does show that we're also supporting our community as well.
It really does make us feel good that we can help with their experience.
The things that I will definitely remember about today is the large group of fantastic people that is coming together. Just come out and see what the organization is doing for the kids.
So it's incredible to be able to celebrate 10 years of partnership and support with Honda, because as we celebrate the first decade, we have all eyes on the second decade. And as we look into the next 10 years, one, we want to be available to serve our mission 365 days a year, because we're here for the community. Because camp is it, and camp is a community that we want everyone to be able to experience, because everyone should hear, welcome home to camp.